BS quality. We're gonna, I got a safe that I recently found and don't know what's in it because there's no key. So we're gonna take a look at it and break it up. So there's a safe. I mean, you know, it's a small one, but I don't know if there's anything in it. There's something in it, but yeah. So we're gonna take a look at that and let's bust into it. Let me grab some tools and a tripod and we'll get to it. As I'm walking out to my shop, we got all these birds. It's just crazy to see. Unbelievable. Just thousands of birds. Comment down below, anybody have that problem where you know, you have a tool, you can't find it, you know you have it, and then like a year later you find it. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. So I don't know, I have a sledgehammer, axe type of deal, a hammer and a big pry bar. So, I mean, this is a really cheap safe. So I'm sure it won't take much to get into it, but we'll get you on the tripod and we'll get into it right now. Yeah, you know, you always start with the smaller tools and then you say screw it. All right, we're gonna get the big boy out. What is this? 8-pound maul. Hyper tough. All right. Yeah. It's broken into now. All right. Let's see what's in there somehow. Let me try it. Let's break this out some more. It smells weird. Yeah. Looks like we broke stuff. It's alright. trying to get this tab so I don't cut myself. Still ain't gonna happen, huh? All right. There's a lock mechanism. You're done. So this is, all right, what we got? Batteries this take. Well, this takes 4 batteries, so we got 4 batteries. So that wasn't in there. What we just got. I struck out, basically. Just some screws. I mean, a couple washers, you know. Can't go wrong there, at least. Guessing pins to the lock or something, and just some screws. So I don't know why somebody would lock it up if it's just full of crap, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. I've never done one of these, always wanted to, and I finally found a safe, but unfortunately there was nothing in it. That's usually how it works, though. But please like the video, subscribe, check out my other videos. I got a lot more coming. I appreciate all your support. Take care. I remember, even though this video was there's nothing in the safe, wouldn't have it any other way. All right, till next time.